How does transpirational pull lift water in plants? Imagine a plant as a tiny water highway, with water traveling from the roots all the way to the leaves. But how does this happen without any engines or motors? The secret lies in a process called transpirational pull. When water evaporates from the leaf surfaces, it creates a kind of suction that pulls more water upward. This evaporation occurs through small openings called stomata, which are like tiny doors on the leaf surface. As water molecules leave the leaf, they reduce the water pressure inside the leaf cells. This causes a negative pressure, or a kind of vacuum, inside the tubes called xylem vessels that carry water through the plant. Water molecules are sticky, thanks to a property called cohesion, so they form a continuous chain from the roots to the leaves. They also stick to the walls of the xylem vessels, which is called adhesion. Together, cohesion and adhesion help keep the water column intact as it moves upward. The negative pressure created by evaporation pulls this water column upward, even against gravity. This pull is strong enough to lift water to the top of tall trees. To replace the water lost through evaporation, roots absorb water from the soil and push it upward through the stem. This entire process happens passively, meaning the plant does not need to use energy to make it work. It relies on the difference in water potential between the moist soil and the dry air around the leaves. This movement of water from the soil to the leaves is called the ascent of sap. Transpirational pull is vital because it helps the plant get water for photosynthesis, which makes food. It also transports minerals from the soil, keeps the plant cells firm, cools the plant through water loss, and helps regulate water and gas exchange. The rate of transpiration and the strength of the pull depend on environmental factors like temperature, humidity, wind, and sunlight. So, in simple terms, transpirational pull lifts water in plants by creating a tension through evaporation at the leaf surface, pulling a continuous water column from the roots to the leaves. This process keeps plants healthy and functioning every single day.